Students, we will do assignment number 8 of English. Let us see this page of collective nouns. I have given you a list of collective nouns and you have to fill in the blanks with the collective nouns. Now the first one is a flock of birds. Please check the spellings. The words are given in the box. You have to choose and write the correct answer. Number 2, a fleet of ships. Number 3, a herd of cattle. Number 4, a pack of wolves. Number 5, a swarm of bees. Number 6 is an army of ants. Here ant because A is a vowel. Number 7, a stack of hair. Maybe this is a new word for you. A means the dry grass which is given to the animals like cows and buffaloes to eat. The stack, you have seen the bundles of hay kept in the farmer's field. A school of fish. Number 9, a pack of cards. And number 10, a bale of papers. You must have seen in a stationery shop or in your school also that there are pack of papers, a packet of papers. They are called bale of papers. Now coming to the next one. Number 11, a bunch of grapes. Number 12, a pride of lions. Number 13, a bowl of rice. Number 14, a bed of oysters. Oysters already we have discussed. I hope you remember it. Number 15 is a band of musicians. Number 16, a gaggle of geese. Number 17, a chest of drawers. Must be having at home in a table, a chest of drawers. Number 18, a choir of singers. You sing in the assembly, a choir of singers. Number 19, a range of mountains. And number 20, a forest of trees. So these are all collective nouns. Now the next question which was given to you was, I had given you one list that how to write in present tense, how to write in past tense and how to write in future tense. In present tense we use the present form of the verb. If there is one we write S, and if there are many in the verb we don't put any S. In past tense you have to learn the past tense form of the words. That also I have given you a list. Please children, I am requesting you again and again. Mostly we have done the videos and revision work. Still again I am repeating, in most of the verbs we add ed with the means the core verb or the core word and make it into past tense, like play, played, ed. But there are some irregular verbs which change, like eat becomes ate, drink becomes drank, sleep becomes slept, go becomes went, teach becomes taught. So this type of list is already given to you, around about 100 words. Again and again I am repeating, please learn it and keep revising it again and again. So you will be able to do the sentences very easily if you have done it. So how to write in present tense, past tense and future tense. I have written two sentences, like if you write read. Now read remains read only in the past tense. So if it is in past tense also we write read, but in past tense we pronounce as read. So in past tense I read a book. This is past. And then present tense I read a book. And in future what is added is will. Will or shall also you can write. Both are correct. I shall read a book or I will read a book. So this you have to add. Similarly when it is go. So I went to school, this is past. I go to school is present. And I will go to school or I shall go to school. We shall go to school. They will go to school. He will go to school. So this will be in future. Now I have given you many other words like this. Let us just practice. Write. In past tense you can write he wrote a letter. In present tense you can write my mother writes poems, poetry. And in future I will write a poem. or I shall write a poem. Give, he gave me a present in past tense. In present tense you can write, he gives me chocolates, or my brother gives me chocolates every day. And in future you can write, I will give you a gift tomorrow. In sleep, I slept for 8 hours yesterday. I sleep 6 hours every day. They will sleep for 10 hours tomorrow. Means just like that, future tense. Work. He worked very hard last year. I work very hard every time to do good result, to perform better. I will work hard in the coming months. Run. He ran a race. I run for 5 minutes every day to keep myself fit. Tomorrow we will run a race in the garden or in the park or in the field. Learn. I learned my lesson yesterday. I learn my lesson, or we learn our lesson every day. He will learn his lesson tomorrow. Sit. He sat on the chair. I sit on my chair every day, and I will sit on that chair tomorrow and have my food. Play. We played the games every day. Yesterday, we played the games yesterday. He plays with me. They will play a match tomorrow. So in this way you can write in present, past and future. Now learn these irregular words which are given to you. Please go through it, and they are given when it is in past tense. What is it? Present tense. Same like be, was and were. Be is your be form of the verb. Is and are is be form of the verb. Like this. Become, became, began, begin, began, bend, bent, bet, bite, bit, bleed, bled, blow, blew, broke, bring, brought, build, built, buy, bought, catch, caught, choose, chose, come, came, cost, caused, cut, deal, dealt, dig, dug, do, did, draw, drew, drink, drank, drive, drove, eat, ate, fall, fell, feed, fed, feel, felt, fight, fought, find, found, fly, flew, forget, forgot, forgive, forgave, freeze, froze, get, got, give, gave, go, went, grow, grew, hang, hung, have, had, hear, heard, hide, hit, hit, it remains the same, hold, held, hurt also remains same, hurt, keep, kept, know, knew, lead, led, leave, left, lend, lent, let, light, lit, lose, lost, make, made, mean, meant, meet, met, pay, paid, put, quit, read, read, ride, rode, ring, rang, rise, rose, run, ran, say, said, see, saw, sell, sold, send, sent, set, same, remain same, shake, shook, shine, shone, shoot, shot, shut, sing, sang, sit, sat, slip, slept, slide, slit, then speak, spoke, speed, spend, spent, spin, spun, spread, stand, stood, still, stole, stick, stuck, sting, stung, strike, struck, sweep, swept, swim, swam, swing, swung, take, took, teach, taught, tear, told, tell, told, think, thought, throw, threw, understand, understood, wait, woke, where, wore, win, won, and write, wrote. Learn the Next, children, fill in the blanks with present continuous form of the verb. Now, in present continuous, as you know, we have to use am for I, is for singular, and are for many, and then you use ing with the verb. So here it is, she is one, so she is cleaning. I am singing a song. The boys are many, so boys are playing. Susan is a singular subject, so Susan is going. The birds are many, so birds are flying. So with the verb you use ing. Can you all see that I have used cleaning, singing, playing, going, flying, ing. Now next is fill in the blanks with past continuous form of the verb. Now in past continuous, am is, or if with I, am is used as was, and other singular subject we use was, and with the, when it is plural, here we use are and here we use were. And then the verb ing. So in past continuous tense you use was, were, and then ing. The monkeys many, so were eating. My mother is one, so was washing. The artist also singular subject, so was painting. Policemen are many, so were running. And yesterday the children are many, so they, in the past tense we use were singing a song in the assembly. So everywhere you can see I have used ing. Eating, washing, painting, running, singing. So all ings I have used with the verb, and with that, before that, if there is the subject is singular, we use was, and if the subject is plural, we use were. Now next, children, I had given you a picture as we had done before. A picture has been given to you and you are asked to write a paragraph. You can see a picture of a park. Nowadays, I know you cannot go to a park and enjoy it, but we all hope that soon the things will become normal and it will improve and we will all be able to go out and enjoy ourselves and come to school like this. So here you can see what are the sentences you can write, that children are playing in the park, they are running, some are sitting on the bench, some people are, they are raising their hands and they are, laughing club and all that, they enjoy. A boy is sitting on a swing, a man is on the hanging rope, and girls are playing some hide and seek, and some beautiful flowers are blooming. There is a dustbin in the park, which is very important. You should throw all the waste in the dustbin. There are benches for people, there are trees, and there is a bird in the tree. So you can write, I know you have all written a paragraph from these pictures. Hope you have understood this assignment.